Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo po, sobrang init na pinagpapawisan. Ay, ubrahin ko lang ito. Sobrang init po. Pasensya. Sino may gusto ng jacket na ito? Gusto mo ba ito?
Nakambot ako.
Gusto mo ito, ha? Siyempre, galing sa Left Frog to, yung sponsor ko, ha? Okay. Sige. Ano, ihahagis ko na lang daw? Sige. Kanta po ako ng isa. This is my last song para po sa inyong lahat. Sana magustuhan niyo. Ito po yung bagong single. Some people live their dreams. Some people close their eyes. Some people's destiny passes by. There are no guarantees. There are no valleys. That's how love must be. Don't ask why. It takes some time. God knows how long. Someday I'll try to forget him as soon as my heart stops breaking. I'm taking something, and soon as forever is through, I'll be over you. Irreversible, yeah. Remember it. Promises we once made. What are the reasons why nothing stays the same? There are the nights holding you close. Someday I'll try to forget them as soon as I pray again until someone, and soon as forever is through, I'll be over you. 101.9, thank you so much sa pag-invite sa akin. Maraming salamat. For life. As soon as our anticipating, and someday I'll be over you. As soon as and someday I'll be over you. As soon as Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Bakit mo?
Alright, thank you very much. Mark Bautista. no?
Ang gwapo talaga ni Mark Bautista.
Ayan na, hinabol na si Mark. Ayan na.
Huwag niyo po masyadong pagkaguluhan si Mark.